Good afternoon, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. Today we're going to talk about diagnostic blood screening. Now, we do offer a service where we will test your bloods, all right, Dexter, to see if you are a potential candidate for TRT. We always stipulate that it must be an early morning sample between the hours of 8 and 11. You must be in a fasted state, but consume water. Why fasted? Well, because digestion can negatively impact testosterone, i.e. lower it. Lower it, you say. Well, okay, we're trying to find out how effective the HPG axis is in producing testosterone overnight when your anabolic processes predominate. We're trying to get a peak reading, which is ironic really, because we get a trough reading when we're measuring your TRT levels on therapy. But yes, we are trying to see how high your testosterone is if you get a good night's sleep and your HPG axis is working properly. We want to see where you are, a baseline. Now, lots of people send their bloods in wanting a proper comprehensive screen, because what they've done is they've gone cheap, and you buy cheap, buy twice. Lots of these online companies say, yeah, just test your testosterone level to see where you are, to give you a gauge as into whether you need further testing. What this is an upsell, because if you don't test in the early morning, you're likely going to get a lower result, because with digestion, with exertion, with lots of things, your testosterone level would drop. And we want to get an accurate level, so we test in the morning. Other companies test whenever you want to test, because they're trying to upsell you on a cheaper, discounted test, only for you to need a more comprehensive, more expensive test in the near future. They've got you. They've got you with that first test, and they want to get you with the second test to justify therapy. As I've said numerous times before, testosterone deficiency is a diagnosis of exclusion. You should be trying everything not to need TRT, not trying to convince yourself that you need TRT, because it's not a cure-all fix-all. As we said many times before, you've got to put work in, and it's much easier to look to address thyroid if that's dysregulated. It's just a simple pill versus an injection daily to optimize your levels, not realizing that it's a roller coaster to get you where you need to be, because effort equals reward, and reward takes effort. So yeah, I reviewed some guy's blood the other day who had a comprehensive blood screen as a result of having one of these basic profiles with another online company. What are his results? Well, the online company did his bloods at 3 p.m. and he had a testosterone of 13.3, a free testosterone of 0.252, which they're not lower according to the BSSM guidelines, but they're definitely suboptimal. So these obviously warranted another test. Now, he approached us and I said, well, I'm sorry, buddy, but these results are not particularly accurate because of the aforementioned reasons. So we did an early morning test, and his total testosterone came back at 24.9. His free testosterone came back at 0.489. So he did not need TRT. But if he'd gone with that other company, it's likely he would have had a similar result and been sold on the concept that TRT is this cure-all fix-all to allow you to feel optimal. Which company am I talking about? One guess. So why did this guy get the blood test done? Because obviously he got the blood test done for a reason. It's because he wasn't feeling 100%. Now, who feels 100% all the time? Well, nobody, obviously. But you should feel pretty good if you put effort in and everything's in check, namely lifestyle Stress, sleep, nutrition, and exercise. Effort equals reward. You must address everything. You must have a holistic approach because everything affects everything. So this guy's libido was pretty low. Now, libido is multifactorial. So we went over the usuals and I spoke about what potentially you could get from a medication perspective. Well, I discussed this in another video, Tadalfil. We are massive fans of daily Tadalfil, 5 milligrams, because of its benefits for estrogen modulation, erections obviously, libido, and this is where it gets interesting because 5 milligrams daily provides stable drug levels. And what is consciousness? It's the subjective appreciation of subtle changes in physiology. So when it comes to Tadalfil, some of our guys that lack libido despite addressing their stress, their nutrition, their exercise, leading a healthy lifestyle, what they sometimes do is they use 10 milligrams every other day because actually manipulating that drug level can cause an improvement in libido. So I suggested he do the normal things, stress, etc., etc., but perhaps speak to his doctor about Tadalfil. Because, as you know from the previous video, it's a great drug. So this guy has been saved a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of effort. He's been given basic principles to address and potentially a medication that is a lot cheaper than TRT. Now, if you go on TRT through the Men's Health Clinic, we won't hold you to a 6-month contract. How utterly disgusting is it that you subscribe to a 6-month contract for a medication? It's such a weird thing for TRT to be advertised. Okay, yes, we raise awareness because there's a fundamental lack of understanding and awareness surrounding the importance of testosterone, the diagnosis of testosterone deficiency, and TRT as an effective treatment alongside work. So yeah, raising awareness is one thing, but selling the concept of TRT is utterly disgusting. Discounts. Now, we price ourselves appropriately, so there are no discounts to entice you to come to the Men's Health Clinic, because I think that's unethical. The price is the price. It's priced appropriately. So we would always recommend the more comprehensive test because it gives me more information and tools to effectively advise you what is potentially in your best interests. Obviously, but you do get a 10-minute complimentary diagnostic call with me to discuss your bloods and discuss what could potentially be in your best interests. Now, it's only 10 minutes, so I don't know you, but I can ascertain from your bloods and a brief conversation what the most appropriate management plan is for you. Whether it is further testing, whether it's for you to go away and look at other things, whether it's you to address your thyroid with your GP. So it is a considered discussion. It isn't a sell, it isn't an upsell for you to spend more money with me. People are often shocked that I say, you don't need TRT, you should go and do this. And if you want to get retested in the future, by all means come back to us and we can have a similar conversation. And again, I will advise you accordingly. I don't need the business. Yeah, it's a private clinic, but I will always act in your best interests because I have integrity, I have an ethical code, unlike these online providers and other medical clinics that are offering discounts to entice you to come to see them. I don't care if you come and see me or not. I want you to come and see us because we provide you with the information that you need. Not necessarily the information that you want, but the information that you need, because you'll always be delivered truths here. It's tough love here at the Men's Health Clinic because you need tough love. It's likely you've engaged in negative behaviors, and as I said before many times, taken the path of least resistance, haven't we all? And that's led you to be seeking advice and seeking support when what you should be taking is responsibility, personal responsibility and accountability for your actions. So I spoke to a guy today who's got quite bad anxiety, and I just told him, you're in control. You must be in control of the situation. Sometimes you need to reach out for support, but ultimately you're allowing me to give you that support and guidance. But remember, you're in charge. So buy with caution, buy cheap, buy twice. Understand that only a doctor-led clinic is acting in your best interests. Everything that we do at the Men's Health Clinic is in your best interests. So nothing else to say apart from, you know what? Go earn your reward, guys.